In this video, I'll show you how to export your email template directly to MailerLite. Once you've finished editing your template, your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to save manually. When you're ready, click the Export button. Under all export options, find MailerLite and click the MailerLite icon. If you're connecting MailerLite for the first time, you'll need to add a new account. First, give your account a name. Then, click Find API Key here. This will take you to your MailerLite account. In your MailerLite dashboard, go to Integrations, and then select API. Here, you'll find the Generate New Token option. Click on it. Give your token a name. Accept the terms and conditions, and then click Create Token. Once the token is created, copy it and paste it into the API key field here. After the connection is successful, you'll see an export notification in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, go to your MailerLite dashboard. In the Campaigns section, you'll find the template you just exported. Your MailerLite account is now connected and saved, so you can easily export templates whenever you need. And if you want to replace or delete an exported template, simply click the Replace or Delete button. That's it. Your template has now been successfully exported to MailerLite.